You are here to know about my top 5 tips for the IELTS exam. This is a good one, people, so listen up. Make sure you check out the tips playlist in my channel. You will learn some other interesting facts that you will find useful. The day before the exam. Relax. Yes, relax. You can't learn anything new now, so revise what you've learned already and try to remember them, particularly phrasal verbs and idioms. To practice listening skills with my students, I use this website, 6 Minute English. If you know about it already, it's a good one. I'll link it in the description box below. I got the power, yo. Yes, take some glucose energy drinks into the exam like Red Bull, Monster. Now remember, I don't support energy drinks, but you are going to need some energy that water cannot provide. Remember to take the drink in a transparent bottle so they can see it. You're going to be there for about 3 hours, if not longer, and you will get tired soon. If that's not a problem for you, don't worry about this tip. No knowey, no writey. For the writing and speaking tasks, commit all starter and conclusion phrases to memory. For example, in my opinion, as a matter of fact, in conclusion. Don't use phrases you don't know. And don't write too many words than required for both writing tasks, because more words equals more errors. The name is Bond. In the IELTS speaking test, answer the question directly without making any assumptions. Ask the examiner to repeat the question if you are unsure in speaking part 3. Asking to repeat does not mean you don't know English. When it comes to writing task 2, which asks for opinions, the best way to prepare is to know what's happening around the world on general topics. Now, for example, topics like population, deforestation, obesity, and other social problems. That way, you will not waste time thinking about opinions. The bbc.co.uk is a great website to learn about general topics. CNN has an interesting business page on their global site, cnn.com. I really like CNN's business page because it gives me a lot of words to describe about graphs. I'll link them in the description box below anyway. Do an impromptu assessment. Yes, if your teacher can provide this, do a complete mock IELTS test with them. It has 2 benefits. 1, it lets you know how the real experience of sitting for an IELTS exam is like. And number 2, you'll kind of get an idea about your score. And that's it. I'm happy if you've learned at least one new thing to do in your next IELTS exam. Thank you for all your comments and emails. Frankly, it's really nice that all of you support my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, guys. It means so much to me. Please share the videos with your friends as much as you can. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening, and bye for now.